Hey everybody, it's Neil. Today I have this socket set and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Here, I will say it's heavy, so it's gonna be some heavy duty stuff. Let's aim you down so you can actually see it. There we go. So we're gonna see it together at the same time. Ooh, oh, well, that flipped upside down. Oh, I guess you wanna put it with the label up and that will hold it in better, but mine are gonna be all over the place at this time, just because of that. Oh, they actually snap into place. Probably just got jostled during shipping. Let's go ahead. Oh, these are some heavy duty ones here, so these are gonna be nice. Let's see. Where are we at here? Yeah. I definitely didn't put the right sizes in the right ones, but close. This is a great set. I was needing a new socket set. I'm always losing my sockets. But these ones here are nice because these are some deep ones. So that's 21, that's 19, 18, 17, 16, 3/4, 11 16ths, 5/8, 13 16ths, and 5/8 different one. Where did, oh, this probably was right there. Okay, so there, everything's got its little place. Now, okay. So this is how it goes here, and it will kind of, these don't stay in, but these are all snapped in, but it's got all these different ones here. These are some heavy duty, some kind of carbon steel ones. It's good, they're not, it's black, but it's not getting black stuff on me. So we have the socket wrench here. It's got one of those little push button ones there, so when it goes on, the ball will connect up in there and stay in there. You can see it's got it in that little area. Push the button to come out. It's cool. I like the way it gives you the direction it goes. It goes nice and smooth. Backwards, and the center just makes it slide either way. Okay, so that's really cool. So we have the big sockets here, and then we have the little one here, which has got similar, very tight ratcheting in there. We have all these different bits here too. We have all these Phillips ones, star bits, square bits. We have the hex bits here, little Torx ones here. Like, what is this? This is a H2 all the way through these H6s. We have all the others are flatheads and Phillips. And these are more here's T10, 15. So we start at T10 for the smallest, all the way up to T40, and then more Phillips bits here, and star bits here for those weird ones, some of those newer ones that makes it grab better. So there we go, and then we have the angled one. What is this? This is gonna be just a pass, oh, it's gonna be the one to hook up these things. So, so if you have one of these bits, they'll go in the star side, like that, and then the other side will go in there. So there you go. So cool, and pretty cool, nice set. So you can do it all, very good. And then you can use this if you just wanna use it like a screwdriver too. And extension pieces, this is great. Got everything I need. So I'm gonna say this set's a winner. This is great. So I'm gonna go put this in my garage and this will be used next time I have any type of project. And I like the way it comes in its little case. As long as you make sure you open it with that side up, it'll be good. Totally awesome, thumbs up.